my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this makeup look over here that I'm wearing right now, and I hope you guys will love this video. This is the look that I created for my lunch date, and I hope you guys will love this video. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. First, I'm priming my face using the Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply foundation on my face, and for that I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in medium tan sand. First I'm using the brush. Now I'm using the beauty sponge. Now I'm going to apply the mattifying powder, and for that I'm using the Sephora 8-hour mattifying pressed powder. I'm going to contour my face. And for the eyeshadows today, I am going to use this Kali Bible palette. Yeah, pretty much the same thing I'm using every day because I'm obsessed with this palette. And I'm going to create a matte look, and I'm going to use this darker brown color over here, which is the last one of the third row when you look at the palette from left to right. So that is the one I'm going to use today, and that is the color that I'll be applying into my crease. Next, I am going to curl my eyelashes using the NYX eyelash curler before I apply false lashes. Okay, now we are going to apply false eyelashes. Actually, I want to say something about this glue. Since this is a black color eyelash glue, if you are not wearing any kind of black eyeliner or something, then this can be a problem. Since this is a black color glue, you really have to be careful when you're using something like this. Okay, now I'm going to apply the false eyelashes. Yes, I am not so happy about the glue. Since the glue is black color, I'm not a big fan of that. Okay, I am going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. For that, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to apply blush on my face, and for that I'm using the BH Cosmetics Blush Neutral palette as usual. Step is I am going to apply highlighter on my face, and for that I'm using the Kali Bible palette and this golden highlighter as usual. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. Also in my tear ducts, also in my tear ducts. Okay, so the last step is I am going to apply lipstick, and for that I'm using this BH Cosmetics waterproof lip liner in shade Spiced, and I'm going to use this lip liner as a lipstick today. It is a beautiful dark red color. Alright, so this is the final result, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys will like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like to see videos like this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.